Hi folks, Tommy Finelli here with Progressive Industries. A lot of people aren't familiar that Progressive Industries manufactures here in the United States adapters and receptacles and so forth. So I want to introduce some of the products to you, but I want to explain some of the stuff to you too. If you notice on our stampings, we make all these right here in North Carolina also. But if you were able to sit here and actually feel the tension that goes when you slide this in and out there, you would see the difference in the quality of this. Same way with the ground pin. All of our ground pins are solid. You don't have to worry about it being a wraparound tin where they break off and that type stuff. So with the quality that we put in, of course, it's made in USA right here in North Carolina. We're very proud of that. I'm going to introduce some of these other products to you at this moment now. Here we have our adapter, which allows a person with a 30 amp RV to plug into a 50 amp receptacle. It's called our 3050 adapter. Instead of using one of those long dog bone adapters, you get this little compact adapter. It's very convenient. All of our adapters and receptacles and all are made out of Velox plastic. The other one I'd introduce you to here is the opposite of that 30 to 50. This is the 50 to 30, so if a person has a 50 amp RV, they can reduce it down to a 30 amp plug and be safe by doing that. And again, this is very compact in size. Then we have dead fronts for people that need to replace their receptacles at their house or want to add one or so forth. This is the TT30 DFR, and it's very compact, and again, all of it's made in USA. This is the 50 amp version of it right here that we have available too. Then we come over here and I have, this is the model TT30R. It's a replacement end for putting on an extension cord for a 30 amp cable, the female end. The replacement end for a male amp as well. So if you need to replace an extension cord male end or your male end on your landline on your RV, this is top quality products, all again made here in the USA. Then we have the 14-50R receptacle, which is the female replacement end for a 50 amp cable. And then the latest and the newest that we're introducing is the 14-50P. It's our 50 amp version for the male end here. Let me open it up. I want to show you the inside of this. It's actually got 5 screws that hold it together. This little plastic piece here is available here, so if you're not using a 4 wire for 50 amp and you're going to use 8 gauge wire, you put that in there so you get a good clamping in there. This has indentions put into it to where whenever you actually tighten it down, it grips into the wire itself so that it doesn't pull out. Like I was telling you, the stampings are all solid. They're all nickel plated, so you don't get corrosion, oxidation, so you get better continuity with all the blades that are on there. And again, it's made in USA. It's made out of a Velox plastic. If you drop this on the ground, it's not going to crack it or break it apart or any of that. This is our newest version. We're very proud of it. You can see it at one of your local RV dealers, or you can order it online. Thank you.